Welcome back to the BevFluence Speakeasy here in San Diego, and we're going to answer the question that everyone has been asking us. What spirit pairs best with a Walmart lemon pie? So we just selected 4 different types of spirits and to see which one possibly pairs best, and then we're going to basically have a palate cleanser with the Breathless Blanc de Blanc. That's a sparkling wine from Sonoma County. This is their single vineyard from Cox Vineyard. Actually, the vineyard's from Mendocino County. So the first spirit we're going to try is the Alley 6 Gin. And let me come here and grab a bit of pie and the gin. You can tell there's already some citrus on the nose. Some really nice botanicals. The lemon just feels like it's just part of the whole mixture of the botanicals and the gin. That's like a seamless. That's really nice. That's the first one. That's gonna be hard to beat. Next we have the Cambio tequila. What's interesting about this one is it's 100% of blue agave. They have a really neat production process going to old school methods, and then this is aged. I believe it's aged slightly in barrel. I think white wine barrels. We'll have to be correct on that, but I thought maybe the creaminess would help out with the lemon. And sure enough, that is the case. Wow. Because agave has a little bit of citrus, more herbaceous and earthy. But, wow, that's another good tasting. That really fits in, blends, seamlessly, as if the lemon was actually part of the tequila. A little sip of the sparkling wine, and that actually is sparkling wine and the lemon pie is actually another good, nice combination. So now we're going to have the Pacific Oat Straight Bourbon. This is from San Diego Distillery, which is our sponsor for the weekend. They're the host distillery. That's where we'll have 2 of our events coming up. You know, it's a really nice bourbon. Yeah, they're sort of like, you get the lemon stays on one side of the palate, the bourbon on the other. So it's not as seamless as the tequila or the gin. And then I just wanted to experiment a bit with the Bold Rock Virginia apple whiskey, just to see if there's another fruit concentrate how it would do with the lemon. So let's dig right in here. That's actually surprisingly very pleasant. Okay, I think I'm going to have that one again. That actually worked quite well. The apple, it's sort of like having the apple actually, the lemon actually brings the apple forward, where the lemon and the apple could definitely come to the forefront, and the whiskey is more of a sweetness in the back as a balancing the tartness. That's surprising. That's a really good combination. Unfortunately, the San Diego Distillery, which we love the bourbon, but that's probably the least that would go with a lemon. Probably not unexpected with the lemon pie. Gin, obviously, because of botanicals. The Blanco tequila, because of the creaminess and the fullness of the particularly the Cambio, and the Bold Rock. That's a pleasant surprise. Cheers.